All right, guys, so this is the study guide for map test number 4. I'm going to outline these new states in orange that we are going to cover for map test 4. So still outlining. Okay. Well, that's a little extra mark there. Let me erase that. There we go. Okay. So if we start here, we know this one. This is Tennessee. Capital, Nashville. Abbreviation, TN. Next, right below Tennessee, we have Alabama. Capital is Montgomery. Abbreviation is AL. Next up is Mississippi. Capital is Jackson. Abbreviation is MS. This one here, shaped like a boot. This is Louisiana. Abbreviation is LA. And the capital is Baton Rouge. And right here above Louisiana is Arkansas. Capital is Little Rock. Abbreviation is AR. Now our big state here, we all recognize this. This is Texas. Abbreviation is TX. Capital isn't Houston or Dallas. The capital is the lesser known Austin. And then our last one is Oklahoma. Abbreviation is OK. And the capital is Oklahoma City. So your map test is going to be this Friday, the 12th. So 2/12 is map test number 4. If you have any questions, please message me on Canvas.